Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm here today with my air fryer. I've got this thing set at 350 degrees. We're heating it up and we're gonna set it for 12 minutes. In one of my other videos on here, you've seen me make scones. I do freeze those. I wrap them in parchment paper and put them in Ziploc baggies, and then I just take them out as I need them. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take this scone. These are chocolate chip. I'm gonna set it inside the air fryer. No liner, no anything. And just let that go. Look at how good that looks. Nice and brown and crunchy on the top and soft inside. Oh, breakfast is ready. Have a great day. Follow along to see what we do next.